Okay. So what we have is g of h of x, and we have h of g of x. Okay? Now, the main important thing you guys need to understand is what do these resemble, right? What do these represent? Well, g of h of x, what that simply means is g of h of x. Huh? Do you want me to do it?
No, yeah.
What I did at what? Last class period?
No.
Okay. Then this one represents h of g of x. So what does that exactly mean? Well, can I just do a review, totally random thing right now? Okay. Let's just do something random. Let's do f of x. Let's say f of x equals 3x. Basic, right? So then I do f of 2 equals 3 times 2. F of negative 7 equals 3 times negative 7. Is everybody following my pattern? What about f of x plus 1 equals 3 times x plus 1? What about f of zx equals 3 times zx? Right? So whatever I say f of whatever, I'm going to plug that whatever into my function for my variable x. Does everybody see that? Okay? Now, what if I said z of x equaled something? What if I say z of x, that equals x plus 1? I already did x plus 1. What about if that equals c? Let's make it easy. So what if zx equals c? Well, then guess what? Can I put a c in for the zx? Yeah. 3 times c. OK? So what we're doing is kind of like a double substitution. So let's go through this real quick. You guys can write that down. So let's go and take a look at this. It says g of h of x. So that means I'm going to plug in h of x into my g of x function. What is my g of x function? So I say g of x equals 5x. Right? So therefore, g of h of x is going to equal 5 times h of x. Right? But what does h of x equal? H of x equals x squared plus x minus 1. So you could say 5 times x squared plus x minus 1. Multiply through. And there you go. Anybody have any questions on that? OK. So now let's go back the other way with our composition. All right? Let's go back the other way. So now I have g of h of x. So now what I look at, is I say h of x equals x squared plus x minus 1. So h of g of x, now I'm going to plug the g of x into the x of my h of x. Well, that's a lot of x's going on. So therefore, I'm going to say g of x squared plus g of x minus 1. Then I look at this and say, what does g of x equal? G of x equals 5x. So now I'm going to replace g of x with 5x, therefore giving me 5x squared plus 5x minus 1. Well, 5x squared is 25. X squared plus 5x minus 1. Can't simplify any further, and you're done. OK? Yeah. All right, what's your question?